Hi everyone, welcome back to this brand new video episode. And today we are going to discuss how did the market went and how did I took the trades. For today, if we go on to Nifty indices, we see that most of the trend was positive and most of the stocks were all in the green zone. So if you see all the sectors are in green, metal was the top uh, sector or index that was on top today. Metal has gained 2.64%, and rest of all are in green except for FMCG. Go back to the Nifty options trade as an option buyer. How did it go for me? So Nifty initially gapped up with about 100 points and then it stayed sideways in this channel. So from 26,150 future level to 2650 future level, this was the range. And the moment it got up here, I took a contra trade towards down and I captured, I get point. So my stop loss are usually tight, so I think that got stopped out. Let me see. So yeah, I took a trade at 9:45 and I exited here because I did not see any premium movement. But if I had stayed long enough, I could have captured this rally upside till 225. But when I had seen that the weekly channel, so I took a trade again at this zone and captured this up, got up here in this range. I had shorted because there are limit sellers here. So I exactly caught up the 200 200 put option and I captured this big candle. I think in 5 minutes. So this is the 1 minute chart. So I bought at this candle level and I had captured all this next few candles until the rally up here. I exited at 240-ish level. So a few points here, yeah, 30 points here. Then here, I think around 5 to 6 points here, 30, 36 points. Then there were in and out with tight stop losses. So here I exited cost to cost. Then here again I exited cost to cost. Here I captured 4 to 5 points. Yeah, so on to 26,200 cost put option, and then in the 25,950 I captured from the bottom channel. So this was so at 11:19. Yeah, so I captured this upside move, this candle move, because uh, this channel, the bottom support captured good enough. So the 1025 candle like was able to push the prices up, and then it took again support in this volume imbalance zones. So in this candle provided me a good enough uh, confidence that Nifty is going to go up again onto the upward channel. But I did not took the trade until these next three candles were confirming the price is slowly moving upside, and also the cumulative volume was going up. So I caught up a trade by the close of this candle at 11:19 and I captured this upside move. So yeah, this was the 25,950 trade. Again, there was this cost to cost. I exited cost to cost over here. Yeah, so these were my trades for today. There was also one more trade, 26,100 PE. This was not, the premiums were not moving, so I exited cost to cost in the first half of the session at 9:30 itself. So this was around 600, which is to 9 points cost to cost I exited. But yeah, overall, if we see 3100, which is roughly 35 points captured with one lot capital. So I had capital of only 16,000, and with this I was able to get 3,000, which is roughly I'm saying 30%, 25 to 30%. So yeah, if you all want to trade along with me and learn more tips how to do trade, how to trade with tight stop losses and with utmost confidence, do reach out to me on the Telegram box below. Thank you all. Have a good day.